Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make money on Lemon8. Firstly, download and install the Lemon8 app on your device. Open the app and input your date of birth and preferred pronouns. Choose your interests from the available categories, then sign up using a phone number, email or login via Facebook, Apple, Google or Twitter. Choose a username and upload a profile picture. Now, scroll through the curated content similar to Pinterest. Tap on a post to view it. Videos are marked with a play button on the thumbnail. Save, like, comment or share posts directly. And use the categories at the top of the screen for specific content. Tap the search icon in the top right corner to look up specific topics. All you have to do is to create the yellow plus button to create a post and add your media like photos or videos. Use features like collage mode and template, tags or texts. You can write a headline, captions, and include hashtags or location details. Preview the post using View button. Keep the download all photos option checked to save locally. Tap Post to share your content because Lemon8 combines features of Pinterest and social apps, creating a space for vibrant creative sharing. So, to earn from this app, all you have to do is create engaging content so you can get paid by monetizing it. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.